To create stationery using the Book of Memories themes, open up a record, navigate to Print Engine, click on Stationery, select, and choose Book of Memories. You can collapse the menu on the left. The first step is to choose a design. As you scroll down here, you will see the available options. Click on one. The next step is to choose your stationery. Scroll to see all of the options, and then just click on any of the stationery items that you would like to create. Once you have done that, scroll back up, click on Proceed. Before you print any of the stationery, make sure you have the correct paper size. All the paper used is 8.5 by 11. However, the perforation measurements may be a little bit different depending on the projects. Any of the stationery items that you selected will be listed here on the left. To delete any one of them, you just mouse over and click on the X. From this memorial folder, which I chose, as you mouse over any of these fields, you will see how it displays where the information is drawn from the record. So this is the deceased first and last name, the date of birth, the date of death, the service location, as well as the date and time, the officiating, as well as the other information. If you would like to delete any of these fields, just simply click on one, and then right-click, and then cut. You have the ability to change the font. Just click on the field, and then you will see all of the options here under Format, the font size, the alignment, as well as the coloring, letter spacing, text effect. The image frame would become accessible if there is an image that's actually on one of these items. As you will see, there is text here. If you would like to change that, click on it and then right-click. You can cut, right-click, add prayer, click on Insert Prayer to see all of the options. There are different categories: religious, general, and child. After you've chosen your categories, you can access all of those prayers by clicking on Next and Previous. Once you have chosen one, click on Insert and then Save. Again, this new text that you've added, you will want to change the font and the font size. You can adjust where it sits on the page using drag and drop. You can also modify by just mousing over these boxes, and you can enlarge or narrow. If you would like to add additional fields to this particular piece of stationery, then click on Fields on the left side. The different categories are listed here. I chose Funeral Home, so I would like the funeral home name listed here. So you just mouse on the field that you would like to add and drag and drop it to where you would like it to be. Once you have added all the fields that you would like and adjusted the font and font size, and you're happy with the way it looks, just click on Preview. You can adjust this setting by just dragging the scroll along. If you would like to change anything, just click on Modify Fields. That will return to the former screen. And if you're happy with everything the way it is, click on Print.